In this video, I will be giving you tips on how to make a girl go crazy in bed. So, if you want to know how to make a woman go completely crazy in bed, make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to share with you some helpful tips that can help you be successful. Just very quickly, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button now, this way you won't miss any new videos. Let's get started. Here we go. So, when you want to make a woman completely crazy in bed, you have to work for it. Most women like it more when a guy is completely in control, but the woman will not allow you to be in control unless you prove you can handle the lead character. When a girl is craving for you in bed, she will be willing to do anything to reach her desire. So here are some of my top tips on how to make a girl crazy for you in bed. Give us something to think about. There is a lot of pleasure in mystery. Women are imaginative, and a slight preview can make women fantasize about how the events will turn out. This increases the woman's curiosity and the woman will crave for the guy that has created the mystery. The trick for you as a guy is to tell the woman what you are going to do with her, but you have to know when to stop. When a woman starts begging you to continue, to know that you have the upper hand, and leave the rest as a mystery. The longer she tried to figure out what your next step is going to be, the more the woman will be aroused. Now, let me please ask you a question. What's your best flirting tip? Leave a comment below letting me know that. But now let's get back to those tips on how to get a girl crazy for you in bed. Take your time. The only way that a woman will be crazy for you in bed is when she is aroused, past her threshold. Now, unlike men, women take more time to get aroused, and this is where foreplay comes in. The way you touch a woman and kiss her can make the woman submit to the moment, or have reservations. You need to make the woman feel like she is the only woman in your whole world, with your touch, words, and kisses. No matter how many times you may have had sex, a woman will give it her all, when you make her feel like it's the first time when you're having sex with her. You need to know what makes her tick. Women are very different. Women usually have that one place, where they are touched in the right place. It can drive a woman crazy. Now don't go anywhere because I still have more tips to give you. But if you need help, you can click the link down below now in the description box and go to our website. And you can check out the online dating programs which can really help you. Plus, you can also find lots of useful dating advice and resources on the website, so when you are ready, you can click the link down below and check it out. But now let's get back to those tips. So, knowing what makes your lady tick can drive a woman crazy, and this can add you points in her naughty book. Remember when you touched her and where you got the best reaction of them all, and that's it. Women love a man who knows which position makes them scream. So, if you spice things up in bed, and the woman will do the same. You want to start early. So, arousing a woman is something that is gradual, and the longer you do it, the harder the woman craves for you. So here is what you want to do. You want to talk a bit dirty when you wake up and prepare breakfast, and things that be considered as an aphrodisiac. Eggs can do the trick. You want to create sexual tension throughout the day, even when you are away from your girl. Inside, your girl will be waiting, exploding, and waiting to lay her hands on you. So don't get into immediately as she asks you. You want to play hard to get and make her crazy and then go for it. You want to try out her fantasy, so this applies to everyone, and you can use it to make a girl crazy for you in bed. While casually talking, you need to take note of her sexual fantasies. Some people have realistic fantasies, and if your girl is one of them, then that's a plus for you. You can surprise her by fulfilling her fantasy. This will make her crave for you so bad, because it is something that women build up in their head for years. And sometimes thinking about it can take a woman to the edge. If you don't know her fantasy, gentlemen, it's simple. You need to ask the girl what her fantasy is and listen to her. The best sex you can ever have is with a woman who is crazy for you in bed. So, learn about your woman and understand her anatomy, because you will need it when you want to have the time of your life. Here is another tip for you. Switch things up. It's easy for things to fall into a rut when you've been with your girl after years together. Trying new activities will help you and your girl rekindles the passion in your relationship. Introduce variety into foreplay by experimenting with how you initiate it. For instance, if you've been waiting to initiate foreplay until both of you are in bed in the evening, start immediately she comes home from work. Give her a long kiss as soon as she walks through the door. Look into her eyes as she's talking to you at the dinner table. Touch her while you're clearing up the kitchen. If foreplay only happens when you're lying down in bed, join her in the shower. Drop to your knees and give her a sweet surprise. Make sure you help her dry off after the shower or help her put moisturizer on her body as you massage her. Pretty soon, she'll be wanting you to do more with her. Now, if you want me to cover any topics, please drop a comment in the box below. If you need more advice on dating and attraction, I would highly advise you to check out the online dating products on the website. The link is going to be below this video. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is important. I genuinely want to help you be more successful with women. And I can only help you if you are subscribed. Please give the video a like, that does motivate me to make more content for you, and it tells me you find these videos helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.